Okay, Booker and I are going to try to do an unboxing of this Canada Goose Down Lodge Hoodie that's supposed to be a matte finish in Pacific Blue. I guess Canada Goose Down obviously has some pretty nice packaging from what I've heard, so thought it'd be cool just to kind of capture it on film. So let's see if it's as interesting as it sounds. These jackets are pretty high end and I guess keep their value forever pretty much, so that's kind of cool. I sold quite a few jackets to fund this one, so trimmed down the collection to get one really nice jacket. So we'll see if it was worth it or not. If I can get it open. Man, super sealed up. Okay, I think that's it. Good packaging, that's for sure. And this came straight from Canada Goose. I didn't order it from like a outdoor company or anything like that. I'm afraid to kind of cut into it because I don't want to hurt any of the stuff inside. So I was hoping this would kind of, yeah, there it goes. Excuse me, Booker. Kind of hard to do around the camera, but we'll make it work. See if that last little bit. Good job, Booker, helping me out. Okay, so let's open it up. Try not to bump the camera. Let's see what it comes with. So, oh, that's pretty cool. Comes with a Canada Goose hanger. If you want to be super bougie, you can do that. It comes with cool Canada Goose travel bag, I guess, stored in, dust cover, something like that. Really nice though, actually. Which I guess for spending this much money on a jacket, you should get all the cool extra stuff. And there's the jacket. Hope it fits. Looks a little bit smaller, but it's a medium. It's supposed to be a medium. Yep, medium, Pacific Blue. I like the color. There's the arm deal. Badge, label. It looks really, really nice, honestly. Feels really good. I wouldn't say, I mean, it's kind of matte finish, but I think it kind of is like, honestly, like, looks like any other, like Arc'teryx Atom type finish. Not crazy, like not crazy matte or anything like that, but I do like the color a lot. I wanted something that would kind of go with black and that you could wear with anything. Seems like it's gonna be warm, but not like over the top warm, like to where you couldn't wear it in Oklahoma, you know? I mean, anything 30 degrees below to maybe in the teens, you'd probably be good. And then you'd probably be getting pretty hot if it got anything above like 50. So yeah, try it on, check it out, see if it works. And that's the unboxing.